How to log in into FedEx employee self-service account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into employee login account of your FedEx. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for FedEx employee login portal or whatever related to that. And after you do that, all you have to do is head over to this login option. Tap on it, and it should take you to the login page. After you do that, you can simply then type in your email address or your username and then password. So type in your user ID, just whatever your user ID is, then your password, and then tap on login, and you'll get logged in. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.